National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, eastern Choctawhatchee Bay, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, Perdido Bay Area, western Choctawhatchee Bay, until 2:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 21 nautical miles northeast of Blackwater Bay Bridge to 9 nautical miles north of Lillian Bridge, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Mary Esther, Fort Walton Beach, Big Lagoon, Pensacola Beach, Pensacola Pass, Fort Pickens, East Bay, Okaloosa Pier, Pensacola Bay Bridge and Garcon Point Bridge. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 2:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: Perdido Bay Area, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, western Choctawhatchee Bay, eastern Choctawhatchee Bay, and coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles. Here's your marine